Welcome to Beautyistic. Imagine getting rid of those pesky lint balls that seem to appear on your favorite sweater just when you're about to head out the door. Today, we're tackling a product that promises to make those little fabric frustrations a thing of the past. If you're constantly battling with lint and fuzz on your clothes, this might be just what you need. And before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss an honest review like this. Now let's talk about the clothing hairball trimmer, rechargeable high-power shaving machine. It's designed specifically to remove lint, hairballs, and fuzz from your clothes, knitwear, and other fabric items. This handy tool features a 3-speed setting to help you tackle different levels of lint removal quickly and efficiently. What really sets it apart is the LED digital power display, so you always know when it's time to recharge. If you're someone who's constantly dealing with linty sweaters, coats, or even your favorite blankets, this could become your new best friend. When I first got my hands on this trimmer, I was impressed by how easy it was to use. The design is sleek, lightweight, and comfortable to handle, which makes using it for extended periods much easier than you might expect. Whether I was defuzzing an old wool sweater or a synthetic fleece blanket, the trimmer's 3-speed settings allowed me to choose the right intensity for each type of fabric. The low speed worked well for delicate fabrics, while the high speed was perfect for heavier materials like knitwear. One of the features I really liked is the charging indicator. The digital display shows exactly how much battery you have left, and when it dips below 10%, the charging indicator flashes to let you know it's time to plug it in. It's one of those small features that you might overlook, but when you're in a rush, it's incredibly helpful. Charging is straightforward. Just plug it in, and the light turns solid to show it's charging. It also comes with a replaceable blade, so if it starts losing its effectiveness over time, you can swap it out and keep it running like new. As for the actual lint removal, the trimmer works wonders. It cuts through hairballs and lint easily without damaging the fabric underneath. I was particularly impressed by how gentle it was on softer materials like cotton and wool. No snags, no pulling, just smooth, clean results every time. But a small downside I noticed is that it doesn't work as well on very heavy-duty fabrics like denim. While it certainly helps with lighter lint, I had to put in a bit more effort for tougher materials. The product also has a replacement blade feature, which is a nice touch because it ensures the trimmer keeps working effectively over time. When I first used it, the blades were sharp and it was super efficient. As the blades age, replacing them is a simple task and it guarantees continued performance. When it comes to value for money, this trimmer is pretty solid. It offers a lot of features for its price: 3-speed settings, a rechargeable battery with clear indicators, and replaceable blades. Considering how much lint can accumulate on clothes and how often we need to clean it off, this tool provides excellent long-term value. It's definitely an investment, but one that can save you a lot of frustration and time spent on clothing care. If you're thinking about alternatives, there are other lint removers out there at a lower price point, but they often lack the high-power performance and digital display that this one offers. While you might find simpler models that get the job done, if you're looking for something that works across a variety of fabrics and lasts, this one might just be worth the extra cost. The trimmer is also built to last. The construction feels sturdy, and after several uses, I can tell that it's durable and well-designed. The blade stays sharp, and the device itself holds up well with regular use. The only thing I would note is that, as with any rechargeable device, the battery life is finite, but with a well-maintained blade, this trimmer should last you a good while. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you are itching to get it, the link is in the comments. So does this product live up to its claims? Overall, I'm pretty happy with it. It's efficient, effective, and easy to use. It's a great option for anyone who struggles with lint and fuzz on their clothes and needs a reliable tool for fabric maintenance. If you're someone who wears a lot of sweaters, coats, or other lint-prone materials, this could be a game changer for you. If you've used this product, Drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.